This is at the north end of the visitor's side. Looking at the first frame, this would be V1. Just notice this. I mean, this is kind of typical, I guess, but there you see the rebar. You get some spalling on that edge. In the interest of public safety, I might as well pull the rest of that off if I can. And then we move over to the typical cracks. Starts as a hairline, and about, I'd say, the visual start is about there, and you can start to see it here, and it grows to maybe a 16th there. Back to a hairline.